What's up everyone? So a few days ago I ordered a hot swappable PCB kit. It's called the GK61 and it came with an aluminum red case with steel plating. With that PCB kit I ordered some extra keycaps to go along nicely with the whole build. For icing on the cake, I got the Holy Pandas switches, which are so nice. They're great switches, but unfortunately I got them pre-lubed. I got them pre-lubed because I didn't have any lube on me, so that's how it's going to go. Now I'm a complete beginner when it comes to custom keyboards, so this video is really to just show the perspective of a newbie creating his first keyboard kit, pretty much. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. In this video, I'm gonna unbox the GK61 PCB kit. I'm gonna build it and share my thoughts on the whole experience. And also, I'm gonna show a typing test right after. Also, a small percentage of you guys are not subscribed, so I would hit the subscribe button. It only takes a few seconds and you can always leave when you want to. One last thing, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, comment down below what your favorite switches are. On to the video. So at this point in the video I had no clue what I was doing. I was really just fumbling around with the plate and the PCB in the case. But after I start building everything, I'll start to figure things out. Alright, on to the building part of the video. Now, for me this was the cringiest part of the recording process, but I guess that's why you tuned into it since, you know, I'm a newbie building his keyboard for the first time. But I'm pretty sure most of the keyboard builders here will cringe at how I tried to build the stabilizers, screwed in the PCB, and not even try to screw in the plating the first time. Anyways, I'll time-lapse this part so I don't expose myself for being a dummy for too long. And I know a lot of y'all have stuff to do and no time to waste, so on to the time lapse. So now we get to the best and worst part of this build. Obviously, this part is the best because you get to put in the switches. That's the main appeal to these mechanical keyboards, and even better, they're Holy Pandas. For me though, this was also the worst part of the build because I get to re-experience my greatest screw up. Funny enough, it was more of a screw none more than a screw up, because in this part of the build, I didn't even screw in the plate to the PCB, because I didn't realize that some of the screws and holes on the plating were made for attaching those parts. So, if you're a beginner like me, please don't make the same mistake that I made. Screw it in, or else you'll get a flimsy board like me for your first experience, so then you'll have to go and reassemble the whole keyboard to get what you want. So these are my post-build thoughts on the keyboard. Overall, creating this keyboard was a wonderful experience. I've always been obsessed with mechanical keyboards, but I've never gone deep into the actual meat and bones of a keyboard until now. So this experience was great. It was really rewarding for myself and just learning more stuff about keyboards and technology. The best part about this keyboard is a lot. It's better than any pre-built keyboard that I've ever tried, and the Holy Panda switches carry this thing so much. I've tried browns, reds, and blacks, and to be honest, the Holy Pandas are so much better than those switches by 100%, probably even more. If you're a beginner like me and you're scared for creating your first keyboard, honestly, I'd try it just to experience what it's like to actually install a keyboard and learn more what's inside this actual thing that you use a lot, you know? It's some great stuff. Anyways, that's it for the post-video analysis. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys had fun watching me as much as I did building this keyboard, and peace.